Uh, yeah. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds watching. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin'. Feeling like a Laker. LA crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of neighbors.
Flip Your Worth TV, back at it again. New day, new vlog, same hustle. So if you saw the last vlog, I'm at the downtown compound and I was showing you guys the exterior of the house. Well, now I'm gonna take you guys inside and give you a little tour of the first floor, or mainly the living room and the kitchen area, to show you the progress that's been made. Alright, so first things first, coming in here, as you see, the last time I don't think floors were in, but now it's all new floors. And we got the nice high gloss finish on those floors. Before, there wasn't any flooring in here at all, I think in the last video that you guys saw. But now we got these nice ones. Originally I wanted to go for 24 by 24 square foot, 24 by 24 tiles, but these particular tiles they didn't have them in stock, so it was going to take literally like a month for them to get. And on this project, I can't lie, I'm already like 2-3 weeks behind schedule on it, so I couldn't get held up waiting another month for them to be delivered, so I had to get them in there. So I went with the 12 by 24 instead. So floors. Now what I gotta show you is the kitchen, because now obviously it's a whole different ball game. Got the beautiful quartz countertops installed. Give you a nice close up on those. I love using quartz countertops, especially on higher end homes, because I just think it gives it a beautiful, beautiful touch. And it just makes it look more expensive. It's definitely a plus, I think, for both on the selling side, but also on the buying side. I would love to have these in my house if I'm buying it. So I would think anybody else would want to have them in their house. But you know, everything is personal preference. On this house, I also, as you see, went with the European style cabinets, which I think, for the decor and style of this home, with it being very modern, I think this just really sets it off to another level, because you got the nice high gloss European cabinets. The uppers are 42 inches, so you can tell these are really big cabinets. You have tons of cabinet space. Here you're gonna have the microwave, which, as you see, is right here. That's gonna go in this space right there. Up here, as you see, the vent hood is in. I still have to add this part that's going up. I have my electrician coming, because originally the microwave was gonna go here, because I actually forgot that I was putting the vent hood, so that was my error. I told him the microwave was going here, so he had just set up for a microwave. It didn't really matter the position of the outlet, as long as it was at the right height. It didn't matter if it was centered or not, because with the cord you could just put it there. The problem now is I went with the vent hood here and the microwave there, so he ran a outlet up there for the microwave. And let me show you what I'm talking about. As you see, for the microwave, it doesn't have to be centered, because they're gonna run the cord up here and they can just plug it in. But for this vent hood, it has to be centered, because there's a piece that goes straight from here up to the ceiling. Now when you do that, as you see, this is over here. So when the vent hood is here, it's outside of the vent hood. That looks terrible. So we got to move this here. So it's a little project I got to knock out. Now, come over here. Got a wine fridge. Because I think that just sets it off. Gives it that, you know, gotta add those little high-end features on the kitchen. Make it look better. Somebody spending a lot of money on a house, especially this one, which will be an expensive house. All these little features definitely make a huge difference. On this side, clearly you see we got the French door fridge with, got your 2 doors up here for the fridge. Got your pull-out freezer at the bottom. Now we're gonna come over here, hit this light. This area looks very different from how it looked before. But in one of the previous videos, I think I showed you guys when we first put the steps in, this was just like a long hallway. So the steps were here, and then there was just a long hallway from here to the front. Well, I thought that hallway was useless because you already have access to the front going this way, and you already have access going to the front through the kitchen. So having another access point through here was just pointless. So instead, what I did, I had them put a wall here to divide that hallway. So now in this hallway, you have a pantry. I got my cabinet guys are coming, same who do my custom cabinets. They're coming in, they're gonna do shelving, but you're gonna have a pantry in here. And then I'll take you to the other one. I'll show you this room in a second. Come to this side, and now you got another closet. So this right here, I'm gonna probably put a coat hook straight across, do some shelves in here, and this is just a closet for when you come in through the front door. You know, you got your living room here, and people wanna put stuff or whatever the case may be. They come in here, you can hang your coat up and things like that. As you see here, this is gonna be your dining room. So it's gonna be a table right here. Look at this beautiful light fixture. Look at that right there. Give you a close-up so you can see the details on it. Definitely looks nice. And I had them put that in this space over here. We did the European cabinets over there also. Quartz countertops. See the nice gold hardware. I love to use the gold hardware. It sets it off, gives it a nice little splash of color. Same flooring as you see running through the whole first floor. Oh, and talking about the gold hardware, let me show you something real quick. I got my plumber actually coming here today. But look, you see the theme of this kitchen in this house is white, black, gold with the hardware. The hardware right there. Look at the sink fixture. Look at this beautiful fixture right here. Black and gold. This thing is so fly. It looks so high end. Definitely gonna set it off. But what else I have to show y'all? I think I got 2 more things I can show y'all. Show you this bathroom. Got the vanity in here. Same floors going all through. Like I said, my plumber's coming today. He's gonna install the toilet right there. You got your towel, your tub. All this is just the bathroom on the first floor, and it looks really nice. In another vlog, I'm gonna show you other ones upstairs where the bedrooms are at. But for now, you see this one. Got the nice towel. Got your backsplash going across the center. House needs a good cleaning, so don't mind. That's all that is, the grout that needs to be wiped off and clean. Clearly the whole house needs to be clean. It's still an active project. And then this right here is another room. It's a bedroom, but somebody could use it as an office also. Obviously, same flooring all through the first floor. Got you a closet here. Got a huge storage space up here. And look, this is a storage closet space just in this room. So even if somebody uses this as a bedroom, they have so much closet space in there. They would probably really love it, because this is like, it's not the biggest bedroom. This is like a standard, probably like 10 by 12 bedroom. But that closet is like the size of a master closet. So, and like I said, you got a whole second closet right there. So yeah, that's a run through on the first floor of the house, just showing you guys an update on what's been going on and how it looks. I'm gonna do another vlog on different rooms of the house, so I'll be posting those soon. So clearly, you know what you need to do. You need to subscribe to the channel, flip your Worth TV, and hit that bell at the top for notifications so you'll know whenever the latest one drop. Like this video, because you know YouTube and their algorithms, it definitely helps show a brother some support. And yeah, I'll keep dropping these vids, and I'll definitely let y'all know when the next one's coming. Holla at me.